Good evening, operatives. I just got a package in from Amazon, and I wanted to do a quick review for you and kind of an unboxing on my first set of 18 round stick mags. So here we go. Let's get our blade out. Just set that off to the side there. So I did order two things from Amazon, so let's just toss this box out of the way. I ordered some new 18 gauge silicone wire. It's just your basic standard stuff. I would not recommend the copper wire as I drop my box here. We're doing this in one take, so so be it. But this is very flexible wire. You can see here, I'll use the red because you can't really see black on black. But it's very flexible, easy to solder, fits in a lot of different places. If you use the standard copper wire, it's not very flexible, it tends to be a little thicker, and can really get into the way of like putting magazines in and trigger wells and things like that. But the big thing I'm excited for is my first set of new 18 round magazines that I will be using at End War 2018 over in Athens, Ohio. So let's go ahead and get that cut open here. Really good packaging from Amazon in their box. And then some decent packaging by the company that made these mags. So I'm just going to pull one of them out. They come wrapped in what's called a textile bag, and then in their own little sleeves. Right off the bat, the clearness of the plastic is very sufficient. There's no lubrication in there that I can feel or that I note on the slide mechanism. Spring feels very firm and poppy. Let's see how it fits in a blaster. So this is my modified strife. It's just a sleeper strife. Fits in, locks in very nicely. Give it a good tug, it might come out, but yeah. I mean, I had to pull it pretty hard for it to come out. It's not just going to come out on its own. Let's see. Load up some darts in here. Just load up a few, shoot them off. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to want to do some magazine maintenance to these, because I can already tell just by pushing them down that they do stick. The pusher does stick just a little bit. But other than that, this magazine is exactly what I needed for End War. I'll paint them up a nice solid black color, probably put a Hydra logo on it, and then we'll see how it all goes. Alright guys, that was my quick review on the 18 round stick mag and unboxing of my Amazon purchases. Until next time, all hail Hydra.